Alright, we're going to do this video again. This is 1731 44th Avenue Southwest. Date is May 21st, 2020. I'm recording this from the clean out in the basement here, and we're looking at the Seattle City, Maine out there in the road. We're coming back now into the side sewer shared by 1731 and 1727. And coming back now here is where 1731 and 1727 join together. So here's the common line access point. So I'm going to go locate this really quick and get an idea where we're at on property here. Pausing the video. Alright, continuing the recording here. We've got about 12 feet of 6-inch pipe before we get back to where we're in 1731's line here. We'll zero out the footage now. Coming back into concrete line. This is 6-inch concrete. You saw there's quite a bit of roots in there. Big old root there. Here's the turn where we're going from 4-inch diameter pipe to 6-inch diameter. So I'm going to zero out again. We'll get the 4-inch length here. Big roots on that turn. That's located right underneath some trees. So pretty lousy spot in the pipe right there. And this is 4-inch diameter sewer line. You can see it's pretty rough and old. Roots coming in there. There's some kind of a tie-in, and the pipe's kind of falling apart right there as we come back into the cast iron pipe there. So 33 feet or so of cast iron. I'm going to zero it out again. And it's coming back through the cast. The cast all looks good. I've ran this through a number of times, so I'm going to make it quick coming through there. And we're up out of the clean out access there, so clean out there, ending the recording there.